Hi, I just want to make a quick video about my navigation tower. It's different design than I see from others. It's made from stainless steel wires, welding wires. The construction is really strong. You can move with whole bike. It don't flex at all. And it's quite light. The weight is around 600 grams without, just construction, without lights and everything. It's connected to the frame like this. Inside this tube is aluminium with threads for these screws, and there is also 2 layers of soft PVC foil. Okay, like this, and so it's really strong. It can take my weight. I can sit on it, no problem, and I think it should be also safe, because these points are the longest, and it's 4mm wire, and it should bend out or bend somewhere at like a little bit over 100 kilograms. So I think if I crash really hard, this should bend forward. So this is it.